You'll be fine, Dove. Don't worry. You'll be okay.
Video now?
Yeah, it's on now. It's recording. It's in 14 seconds at the moment.
Okay, where's the other hand? Other leg. Yep. Okay.
What's wrong with it?
It had strings on its feet.
Oh, very swollen that.
Oh, poor thing. Oh, sweetie, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. We're trying to save you, alright?
You videoing now?
Yeah, it's recording. 48 seconds.
It's difficult to bury, so. Look at that, this one.
Oh, Lord, look at that string. My goodness, it's so tight on it.
Yeah.
Oh, you poor thing. How long have you had that for? You've had it for a while. Oh, Lord, look at that.
Oh, sorry. It's difficult to get it out. Huh? So, look at that.
It's very tight, isn't it, around
Yeah.
it? Shit.
Daniel, can you hold it like this? Okay. Hold it like this one. No, not this one. Yeah. Now it's, oh, look at that. No, it's still there.
I'm videoing it now.
Oh, thank you so much. Look at that.
Done it? Oh, good. Well done. All right, stop it now.
Yep, stop it.
How do you stop it? Stop it. There you go.